Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I already unboxed everything, so I kind of already know what I have because I want to make sure everything was okay. And I want to get rid of all the packaging stuff because I have animals and they're curious and they like to eat stuff. Any pet owner that you understand. Anyway, I have this from Kitsch. It is a Cleanse Ritual Crystal Facial Roller for tired and stressed skin. I think I already have one of these. I got one of these in BoxyCharm. I'll have prices listed when I edit, so I want to say this was $28. I don't know. Yeah. Well, who doesn't want a nice facial roller? So, anyway. I have this from Good Molecules. It is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. It's formulated with cetylgenexamate mesylate to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. This is a good brand. I'm not sure how much this is, but I know it's affordable side of really nice skincare. I have that. I have a, what is this? A Sonia G brush. I'm not sure if it says on the, no, of course it doesn't say what it is. That's what it is. Kumena Fudu? Frick, I don't know. I think it's a crease brush. So, then I got from Wayne Goss, I have the Weightless Veil Brush Palette. Weightless Veil Blush, not brush. Blush palette. I have the color Bright Poppy. One of the colors is called Sunny and the other is Golden Glow. That's pretty. Then I got from Lena Chu this lipstick. It's a really fancy lipstick. It is the Great Artist Velvet Matte Lipstick. In the shade Duras, I think it's called. Has its own velvet case. That's nice. Yeah, it's in number 21 Duras. That's pretty. Magnetic closure. Let's see if I can get it back in its little velvet pouch. Before my cats kill themselves trying to get into the... I have a big picture window behind the camera, and they like to scale the curtains. I don't know why. Hold on a second. Okay, that was kind of a pain in the ass. And the last thing I got was from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Luxury palette. Doesn't say what one. It's called the Queen of Glow. I know these little palettes right here are $50 by themselves, so. It's pretty. I'll have my total listed when I edit, like the other things, priced individually. So, yeah, that was my lucky bag unboxing. It was fine. I got the small one. This was the $75 one. So, I mean, I got some good stuff, but I'm not necessarily blown away with what I got. So, it was kind of lackluster for me. I was more impressed with the Jeffree Star lucky bag that I got last year. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.